Have you ever scrolled past a design that just popped? Maybe an image with a glowing neon frame that instantly grabbed your attention? Well, today I'm going to show you exactly how to do that in Canva. And trust me, it's way easier than you think. Let's jump right in. So, first, open up a fresh Canva project. Doesn't matter if it's an Instagram post, a YouTube thumbnail, or just a blank canvas. The steps are the same. Now upload the image you want to highlight, drag it onto your design, stretch it out to fit the page, and here's a little pro tip: duplicate it. Having a second copy will give you more control later on when we start layering things. Now, for the interesting part, the glowing neon frame. Head over to the Elements tab and type Neon Gradient Frame in the search bar. Switch over to Graphics and scroll until you see a glowing frame you like. Canva has tons of options, but I usually go for the classic square with a smooth neon gradient. Drop it onto your canvas, rotate it if you want, resize it, and line it up right where you want the highlight to be. Maybe you want it centered, maybe angled for some drama. Play around with it. Oh, and don't forget, you can change the colors. If neon blue feels too cold, switch it to pink, purple, or even a bold green. The goal here is contrast. You want your highlighted area to scream for attention. Okay, time to make the magic happen. Click on your duplicated image, crop it so it fits exactly inside the neon frame, and adjust the corners to match the curve of the frame. This gives the illusion that the image itself is glowing from inside. Now here's a neat trick. Lower the brightness of the background image. Just click on it, head to Edit, then go to Adjust and slide the brightness down a little. This makes the framed section pop even more, like a spotlight effect, but with neon vibes. When you look at it now, you'll see the glowing frame, the cropped highlight, and the darker background all working together to guide the viewer's eye exactly where you want it. And that's it. You just learned how to highlight any part of an image with a glowing neon frame in Canva. It's simple, but the results are eye-catching. Perfect for thumbnails, social media posts, or even presentation slides if you want to impress. So, what do you think? Are you going to try this with a circle frame, a square, or something totally unique? Drop your answer in the comments below, and while you're at it, hit that like button if this tutorial helped you out. And of course, subscribe for more Canva tips and creative tricks just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.